Hello students, today's topic is the structure of diborane. So I'm going to explain about diborane structure. In last video we saw about the preparation, properties and uses of diborane. So the last topic, that is one more topic in diborane is structure. So diborane formula is B2H6. So there are 2 boron atom and 6 hydrogen atom. So in the diborane structure, so if you see the structure, I will show in the fourth picture. So 2 boron atom is present and the 6 hydrogen. How the 6 hydrogen is arranged means, in one boron 2 hydrogen is attached. In another boron 2 hydrogen is attached. So totally 4 hydrogen atom, they are called as terminal hydrogen atom. Then remaining 2 hydrogen, they are connecting the 2 boron atom. So they are called as bridged hydrogen. So among the 6 hydrogen atoms, 2 hydrogen atoms are called as bridging hydrogen atom and 4 hydrogen atoms, they are called as terminal hydrogen atoms. In diborane, 2 BH2 units, they are linked by 2 bridged hydrogen. So therefore it has 8 BH bond. So totally 8 B boron hydrogen bond. So in diborane, 2 BH2 units, they are linked by 2 bridged hydrogen. So therefore it has 8 boron hydrogen bonds. However, the diborane has only 12 valence electrons. So how these 12 valence electrons are possible? See, for boron, electronic configuration is, that is atomic number is 5. So electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. So in each boron, 3 valence electrons is present in one boron. So 2 boron, so totally how many? So here 3 valence electrons in one boron, and here also 3 valence electrons in one boron. So totally there are 6 valence electrons in 2 borons. So that 6 electrons plus in hydrogen also there are 6 hydrogen. So there are also 6 electrons outermost. So 6 plus 6, totally 12 electrons are there. So in diborane there are 12 valence electron. Once again I explain how this 12 valence electrons arises. For one boron, the outermost shell, that is valence electron, is 3. Because atomic number is 5, 1s2, 2s2, 2p1, so 3 electron. Here also one more boron is there, so 3 electrons. So totally 3 plus 3, 6 electrons for boron, 2 boron atom and 6 hydrogen electrons. So 6 plus 6, totally 12 valence electron. But there are 8 BH bond. So 8 BH bond means they forms only normal covalent bond. 8 BH bond means it need 8 into 2, 16 electrons it need. But there are totally 12 valence electrons and they are not sufficient to form normal covalent bond. So because for normal covalent bond, totally how many BH bond is there? 8. So totally 8 into 2, 16 electrons need. But here only 12 valence electrons. So these electrons are not sufficient to form normal covalent bonds. So the 4 terminal BH bonds are normal covalent bond. They are called as normal covalent bond because it involve 2 atoms. So 2 center, 2 electron bond. The remaining 4 electrons, they have to be used. So here 2 center, 2 electrons bonds means 4 terminal hydrogen, no? So 4 terminal BH covalent bond means 8 electrons is involved. So out of the 12, 8 electrons are used for terminal BH bonds. So the remaining 4 electron out of 12, 8 is used for normal 4 BH bonds. So remaining 4 electrons they are using for bridged bonds. There is 3 centered BH bond. So in upward 1 BHB and downward also 1 BHB unit. So there are totally 3 centered BHB bond. Why they are called 3 centered? Because 3 atoms are involved. One boron, one hydrogen and another boron. So they utilize 2 electrons each. Then hence each bonds are 3 centered 2 electron bonds. The bridging hydrogen atom are a plane which is shown in the figure. In diborane, the boron is sp3 hybridization. So sp3 hybridization, 3 of the 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals contain single electron and the 4th orbital is empty. So 2 of the half-filled orbitals of each boron overlap with the 2 hydrogen atoms. Now I am explaining about the hybridization involved in diborane. So 3 of the 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals, it contains single electron and the 4th orbital is empty. How? Because in 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. So in 2p orbital there is only one electron. So on when hydrogen is come and add with boron, now the electrons present in 2s orbital, the electrons get excited, and in 2s orbital 1 electron, and 2px 1 electron, 2py also 1 electron. So similarly for another boron also. So 3 of the 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals contain single electron, and the fourth orbital is empty. That is the fourth, it means 2pz orbital is empty. 2 of the half-filled orbitals of each boron overlap with the 2 hydrogens. So that is 2s அதில் ஒன்று, then 2px y xல 1 electron. So 2 of the half-filled hybrid orbitals of each boron overlap with the 2 hydrogens to form 4 terminal 2c 2 electron bond, leaving 1 empty and 1 half-filled orbitals on each boron. The 3 center 2 electrons BHB bond formation involves overlapping the half-filled hybrid orbitals of one boron, the empty hybrid orbitals of other boron, and the half-filled 1s orbital of hydrogen. That means the 3 center 2 electron bond, that is BH. I am going to explain about the bridging hydrogen. That is 3 center 2 electron bond, BHB bond formation involve. How it overlapping means the half-filled hybrid orbital of one boron, the empty hybrid orbital of the other boron, and the half-filled 1s orbital of hydrogen. That means 2 boron and 1 hydrogen. Which one is involving means, in one boron the 1 half-filled orbital, in another boron also another half-filled orbital, in hydrogen half-filled 1s orbital of hydrogen. So these 3 are involving, and they form the two bridging BH now bonds. You are seeing the diborane structure. See, there are 2 boron atom. One is green boron, other one is pink boron. 2 boron atom is there, and 4 hydrogen atom. In one boron 2 hydrogen atom is attached in the left side, and the right side also 2 hydrogen. So they are called as terminal hydrogens. BH, that is normal covalent bond. So BH bond, BH bond, BH bond, BH bond. So there are totally 4 BH bond, and 8 electrons are involved in this bonding. They are normal covalent bond. And in the 2 boron which are connecting by 1 hydrogen, and upward and downward also 1 more hydrogen, they are called as bridging hydrogen. Here boron 1 half-filled orbital, another boron 1 half-filled orbital, and 1s orbital of hydrogen atom. They are overlapping to form the hybridization. So